Hello, welcome to Airsoft Sweden. Today I have my upgraded MP40 from AGM. We are playing the game mode Skirmish, where you have to put down your team's flag on a point and hold that point until the time runs out. In our case, 30 minutes. We are 5 players in my team and the enemy team is 6 players, so we have a little disadvantage. I'm sorry for the bad video quality, but we have pretty shitty camera equipment. I hope you enjoy the video.
Okej grabbar, tack mig.
This is the point where we put down the flag and defend it. As you can see, we were fast at the start and got first to the point and put down the flag. I went back a bit to defend one of the sides, and when I did that I saw the whole other team.
Alla är här borta. Ja. Anton. Nästan alla är här. Om det är någon som är kvar så är det typ en.
It's kinda hard to see, but I saw some of the enemies in the distance. So I started shooting.
De kommer härifrån. 3 pers tror jag. Tror jag kan behöva en grabb här. Ja. Alla häng med här.
A little fun fact, I actually forgot my glasses back in spawn, so I don't have any glasses on right now, which is quite dangerous, but I got some later.
Glömde. Lajer. Vad ska jag göra? Spawn.
I was trying to get behind the enemy, but as you can see, the terrain was terrible right here. It's like a swamp, so it's quite hard to get forward. I managed to get behind the enemy, and I got 2 guys right here. No, it wasn't. Right after those 2 guys, I got my 3rd kill.
Oh.
The enemy is really close to capturing the point, so I'm just trying to push forward and defend it. I was in a really bad position, so I was trying to go back and regroup with my teammates. At the end, the enemy captured the point and I got hit.
Hit! Grabbar, kom nu!
The boys never came.
Ceasefire!
If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. You can hear the enemy shooting up in the air because they celebrated their victory.